Now, we have 4 effective and simple ways to sync Google Contacts to iPhone 13, 12, 11Xs, Max Xs, 8, 8, plus 7. Each method is listed with detailed steps to ensure that you will not encounter any problems. Way 1. How to import Google Contacts to iPhone by syncing iPhone, Settings, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, add Google account, enter details, tap Next. Enable Contacts, save to import Google Contacts. Follow the steps below if your iPhone runs iOS 6 or 5. iPhone, Settings, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, add account Other, CardAv, enter info, server Google.com, username full Google email, password, tap Next, enable Contacts to copy from Google to iPhone. Way 2. How to import contacts from Google to iPhone via iCloud. On the computer, open a browser to log into your Gmail account. Click Google Contacts, select the contacts you want to import, and click More Export Vcard Format. Go to iCloud.com, log in, click Contacts, choose Import Vcard, select the Vcard exported from Google. On iPhone, go to Settings, your name iCloud. Enable Contacts to back up Google Contacts. Way 3. How to sync Google Contacts to iPhone using Mail app. Open the Mail app on your iPhone and select Google as your email service provider. Click Continue in pop-up. Log in with Gmail credentials. Enter Gmail info. Click Next. Enable Contacts in Gmail. Choose Keep on my iPhone pop-up. Click Save to upload Google Contacts to iPhone. Way 4. How to transfer Google Contacts to iPhone with iOS Transfer. If you don't like the above 3 methods and want a simpler and more direct way to send Gmail contacts to iPhone, then you can try the professional third-party software iOS Transfer.